डियर क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो आप लोगों का जो 14th चैप्टर है उसके अंदर से 3 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आने हैं। तो मैं आप लोगों को जो 10-15 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन अभी बताऊंगा उनमें से आप लोगों के 3 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो जाएंगे और आप लोगों ने इनको याद कर लेना है या साथ स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना है, जैसे मर्जी कर लें। जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है वो वाले हम लोग करेंगे। पहला है, हाउ डिग्री ऑफ पॉलीमेराइजेशन हेल्प्स टू डिटरमाइन द मोलर मास ऑफ पॉलीमर, द नंबर ऑफ। तो इसका आंसर है द नंबर ऑफ रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स इन अ पॉलीमर इज कॉल्ड डिग्री ऑफ पॉलीमराइजेशन। molecular mass of polymer is the product of the molecular mass of the repeating unit and the dp poly polyvinyl chloride pvc जिसको कहते हैं has a dp of 1000। its molecular mass is equal to molecular mass of repeating unit क्रॉस dp। तो 63 को मल्टीप्लाई करें 1000 के साथ तो 63,000। तो रिपीटिंग यूनिट ऑफ पीवीसी इज CI2 लिख के नीचे Cl। कंडेंसेशन ऑफ पॉलीमराइजेशन गिव द रिएक्शन for the formation of polyesters. The polymerization in which monomers unite together with the elimination of a small molecule is called condensation polymerization. For example, dicarboxylic acid or esters combine with diols to give nylon and polyester fibers। साथ ये वाला जो है लाजमी बनाना है रिएक्शन। गिव द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ 6,6 नाइलॉन, बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। वन ऑफ द polyamide resins is nylon 6,6। it is obtained by heating adipic acid with hexamethylene diamine। और साथ में ये वाला रिएक्शन ज़रूर लिखना, नहीं तो गलत हो जाएगा, 1 नंबर मिलेगा। बोथ एडिपिक एसिड एंड hexamethylene diamine have 6 carbons each। This product formed is called nylon 6,6। What are thermoplastic and thermosetting polymers? आगे thermoplastic polymer की definition, the polymer which is softened and या softened repeatedly on heating and hardened on cooling with a little change in properties is called thermoplastic polymers। Polymer PVC pipes, plastic toys, etc. Thermosetting polymer, the polymer which become hard on heating and cannot be softened by softened again are called thermosetting polymers। A thermosetting polymer decomposes on heating instead of melting। Synthetic varnish, epoxy resins, etc. What are macromolecules? Give 2 examples। So molecules containing large number of atoms and have high molecular mass are called macromolecules। The macromolecules built up from small repeating units called monomers are called polymers। For example, natural polymers such as lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, etc. are important of our daily life। For example, number 2 is synthetic polymers such as artificial fibers, plastics, etc. have replaced natural material such as wood, cotton, etc. How polystyrene is prepared? Give its 2 uses। it is prepared by polymerization of styrene in the presence of catalyst। ये स्टायरीन का है और ये आगे बन गया हमारे पास, इसकी साथ रिएक्शन ज़रूर लिखा करें। इपॉक्सी रेजिन्स गिव देयर इंपॉर्टेंस यूजेस। तो राइट स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ एपीक्लोरोहाइड्रेन एंड डाइफिनाइल प्रोपेन, these are actually polyethers। their name is due to their starting material and presence of epoxide ring in the polymer। epoxy resin is prepared by condensation of epichlorohydrin with diphenylol propane। तो ये वाली साथ दोनों बनानी है, ठीक है। यूजेस इसके, these are used as adhesive, these are used for making flexible hard protective coatings, these are used for making chemical resistant coating, these are used for painting dams, bridges and floors। आगे carbohydrates, give the classification of carbohydrates along with an example of each। So on the basis of hydrolytic behavior, carbohydrates can be classified into 3 classes। monosaccharides, carbohydrates which cannot be hydrolyzed into simpler carbohydrates are called monosaccharides। for example, glucose, fructose, disaccharide। The carbohydrates which produce 2 to 9 monosaccharides unit upon hydrolysis by acid or enzyme are called oligosaccharides। What are carbohydrates? Why are they called so? Polyhydroxy compounds of aldehydes or ketones are called carbohydrates। for example, sucrose, starch, etc. Word carbohydrates means hydrates of carbon। it is because first members of this class which was studied had an empirical formula CxH2OY derive the open chain structure of glucose and fructose। तो ये वाला आप लोगों ने बुक से देख लेना, ठीक है, इसका आंसर। आगे एक्सप्लेन डीनेचरेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन, द डिसरप्शन इन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन बाय हीटिंग और चेंजिंग pH by using oxidizing agents by reducing agents is called denaturing of protein। Albumin protein is present in egg when it is heated, it is hardened, the change is irreversible। आगे लिपिड्स वाले टॉपिक में ये सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, फैट्स और ऑयल्स वाला, ठीक है, डिफरेंसेस का। दे आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स, दे आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, दे आर सैचुरेटेड, दे आर अनसैचुरेटेड, दे आर सॉलिड और सेमी सॉलिड एट रूम टेम्परेचर, दे आर लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर, दे possesses high melting points, they possess low melting points, they have low iodine number, a test for unsaturation, they have high iodine number, it is because higher the iodine number, higher the unsaturation। What is sponification number? It is the number of mg of KOH or NaOH required to sponify 1 gram of fat or oil। 1 mole of glycerol palmitate, मोल वेट इसका क्या है 807, requires 168,000 mg of KOH for sponification, thus 1 gram will require 168,000 divided by 807 mg of KOH, hence sponification number glycerol tripalmitate is 2008। What is rancidity of fats or oils? The spoilage of fats and oils and development of unpleasant odor is called rancidity। Rancidity occurs due to hydrolytic and oxidative reactions, these reactions produce foul smelling aldehydes and fatty acids। Oil obtained from marine organisms contain high degree of unsaturation, these spoil rapidly। What is iodine number? It is the number of grams of iodine which will react with 100 gram of fat and oils। It is used to determine the degree of unsaturation in fats and oils। Generally, higher the iodine number, higher the degree of unsaturation। Iodine is added on double bond of unsaturated compounds, thus value of iodine number depends upon the number of double bonds present in glyceride। Saturated glyceride with non double bond have 0 iodine number। Again, what is acid number? It is the number of mg of KOH required to neutralize 1 gram of fat। Acid number gives the amount of free fatty acid present in a fat or an oil। Define sponification number and iodine number, तो ये पहले हो चुका है, ठीक है, वहीं से देख लें ऊपर वाला जो है। आगे बताइए द इम्पोर्टेंट यूजेस ऑफ लिपिड्स, गुड सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, मेक फूड palatable, these are storehouse of energy in the body, these are integral part of cell, protoplasm and cell membrane। Some lipids are precursors of very important psychological compounds, for example cholesterol is the precursor of steroid hormones, they exerted an insulating effect on the nervous tissues। What are steroids? Give their general structure ये है। आगे these are naturally occurring lipids, their parent nucleus contain 3 6-membered rings A, B and C, 1 and 1 5-membered ring D। This nucleus is called perihydroxy cyclopentanophanthrene structure। In this structure rings are fused together and have total 17 in carbon atoms। Write a note on cholesterol। तो यह स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल, तो स्ट्रक्चर ये आप लोगों के पास बना हुआ है। इट इज़ द मोस्ट अबंडेंट एनिमल स्टीरॉल, इट इज occurs in animals, it is also found in some higher plants, it is present both in free and esterified form, it is present in blood, animal tissue, egg yolk, various oils and fats and nerve tissues। Increase the amount of cholesterol in blood form a plaque like deposit in arteries, this deposit causes blood pressure and other heart disease। आगे एंजाइम्स वाला टॉपिक है आखिर में, व्हाट इज़ केमिकल नेचर ऑफ एंजाइम। आगे मैं अब सवाल पढ़ता रह चाहता हूँ। ये 4 इंपॉर्टेंट यूज प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ एंजाइम, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है थोड़ा सा। आगे हमारे पास है फैक्टर्स विच इफेक्ट द एंजाइम एक्टिविटी, डिस्कस इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड pH ऑन एंजाइम एक्टिविटी। तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये चैप्टर ख़त्म हो गया, ये वाले याद कर लें। उम्मीद है आप लोगों के इसमें से तीनों शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हो जाएंगे।